Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm showing you how to turn Dollar Tree pictures into beautiful, expensive looking artwork. So first I have these wood frames that I made. I used 1x3s from Home Depot. They cost less than $2 and one board makes 2 frames. So some of them I stained with a dark stain, some I stained with a gray stain, and then I just used Waverly white chalk paint. Painted over it. Once it's dried, I sand it to distress it. If you do not have a miter saw and you can't make miter cuts on the frame, you could just box it out and it will look just as nice. Also, these pictures are going to be on my Etsy account, so if you guys are interested in shopping, I'm going to leave my Etsy store in the description bar. Click on it and check out my shop. So the next thing is I have these thin wood boards here that I cut to size, and I just take the pictures from Dollar Tree frames out and use Mod Podge to glue them onto the wood, and then Mod Podge over the picture to seal it. Use some wood glue around the edges, put the frame right on top with some clamps, and that's it. You have these gorgeous wood framed Dollar Tree artwork. I'm also gonna leave you guys the Topcashback link in my description bar. You shop on Etsy, it's gonna give you 2% cash back. Also, they're giving a $5 sign-on bonus. So all that information is gonna be in my description bar, along, remember, with my Etsy. Check it out. I'm going to have, right now, I have the white rooster that I'm gonna show you right now. It's up on my Etsy, and the rest of these frames will be up later today. This one right here, I loved the wood and the character that it has, so I didn't even dare paint it. I just loved the way it looked, and it went perfect with this pig canvas. Here's this white rooster, and I think this one is probably my favorite one. This is the one that's up on my Etsy right now, and I only have one of those, so if you're interested, you want to hurry up and purchase. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this easy Dollar Tree DIY. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY.